Number 1, page number 270. Prepare trading account of Srikanth Traders for the year ended 31st 12 2015. Okay, listen. First problem. Stock 1/1/2015, 8,500 rupees debit side, purchases debit side, sales credit side, purchase returns deduct from the purchases on the debit side, wages debit side, carriage debit side, factory rent debit side, sales returns deduct from the sales on credit side, customs duty debit side, stock on 31st 12 2015, closing stock. This is about and first problem. Okay, write one by one. First of all, to opening stock, amount 8,500 rupees. This is the first one. Next, second one, purchases, amount is 15,200 rupees less purchase returns 1,200 rupees, means 14,000 rupees. Next, wages is also on the debit side, 875. Next, carriage, amount 500 rupees. Next, factory rent, ₹925. Okay, buy sales, amount is 33,000, credit side, less sales returns. Sales returns amount is 500 rupees, means 32,500 rupees. Buy closing stock, 31st means closing stock 3,500 rupees. Next, customs duty, ₹800. Okay, first total them. 36,000, 0, 0, 5, 10, 5 plus 1, 6, 3, 36,000. 36,000. Okay, 8,500, 14,000, 875, 500 rupees, 925, 800, 0, 0, 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 23 plus 8, 31, 36, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 1, 25,600. What is the difference between 25,600 and 36,000? 36,000 minus 25,600 rupees. 0, 0, 4, 0, 1. 10,400 rupees difference. Suppose credit is more than the debit at gross profit. So credit side is more, debit side is very less. This is the debit, this is the credit. So Credit is more, debit is less, so the difference is gross profit. To gross profit, this is and first problem. Next, come to the second problem. Prepare trading account for the year ended 31st 3 2017. Okay. Opening stock debit side, sales credit side, return outwards means purchase returns. This is deduct from the purchases. Wages, debit side, carriage, clearing charges, debit side, closing stock, credit side, purchases, debit side, and purchase returns. Return inwards means sales returns. Carriage inward. Carriage inward is uh, 625 rupees. Factory insurance 400 rupees. This is also debit side. Freight debit side. Closing stock and credit side. This is the about problem number 2. Okay, right. 2 opening stock. Amount is 2100 rupees. Next, purchases. Here given 64,000. 64,000 is not, it is a 6,400 rupees. The problem is a mistake, 1 0 added, so that is eliminated. Less return inwards, return outwards is there, outwards. Amount is 5,900 rupees. 0, 0, 14 minus 5, 9, 5,900 rupees. Next, wages. Amount is 975 rupees. Next, clearing charges. Clearing charges 500 rupees. Next, return inwards means sales returns. Carriage inward. Carriage inward 625 rupees. Next, factory insurance. Factory insurance 400 rupees. Next, freight. Freight amount is 3000 rupees. Next, buy sales. Sales amount is 18,500 less inward returns. Amount is inward return amount is 700. 0, 0, 8, 7, 17,800 rupees. Buy closing stock amount is 2,000 rupees. This is a problem. Opening stock, purchases, purchase returns, wages, clearing charges, closing stock. Only closing stock. Closing stock is 2500 is not closing stock. The wrong mistakes. It is a wrong. So first of all, this is the total length 19,800. Next, here 2000 rupees, 100 rupees, 5,900, 975, 500 rupees. Next, 625, 400, 400 rupees, 3,000, 5, 5, 10, 0, 3 plus 10, 0, 5, 6, 5, 11, 16, 25, 25 plus 34, 34, 35, 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13,500. Okay. 19,800 minus 13,500. 0, 0, 3, 6. 6,300 rupees is gross profit. So 19,800, 19,800 rupees to gross profit 6,300 rupees. This is the problem about 2. Closing stock is repeated twice, so only consider one. 2,500 is not considered, so this is the problem number 2.